This is a clear glass ceiling light fixture. It may be presentable for dimming, timing, and so forth. Please check further details online about the product. We're going to be opening this up, show you how to hang one, what it looks like, and here we go. The light fixture comes with a universal bracket, low to neutral and ground. It has the socket, and this would be the first thing we're going to hang up. And let's show you how to do that. But before we do that, let's bring you the glass nice up and close for you. Please remember, glass is breakable. And this area, you want to concentrate not over tightening that socket on, because you may break your glass bulb. You're able to get your hand inside, and you're able to, have a nice clear glass. It's easy to clean and easy to manage. So let's get hanging this glass fixture. You're going to need a screwdriver. You're going to put your own bolts into your own area up here. Lock it down. You have a ground. You're going to loosen it up a little. Take your ground and always, hook it up. Tighten it up, because it acts as a number of things to hold. You have your neutral, you have your load, you're going to twist them together. You're going to place the wire nut on and repeat for the other side. Do your best to hook this up. Unscrew, place on, and gently screw on. Do not over tighten. If you over tighten, you're going to break this. This will not fall off. It will hold on just fine, and you could clean it up with some soft rags and cleaner. Get yourself a bulb, a fancy bulb, a standard bulb, whatever bulb you want, and it doesn't matter what fixture light you have this hooked up to. It could be dimmable, put it on the timer, etc., etc. We're going to turn our switch on. We can dim our bulb down as low as we want. We could go to a 25%, 50%, 75%, and so forth. That's 25%, and that's 100%. We could put this on a timer, so this way the light will go off. These are great for anywhere imaginable. You've got a kitchen, a bathroom, a hallway. Not for outdoors. This is not waterproof. It's not IP rated, but it will do a nice job. It shows a nice clear view. And let me turn some of the lights off so you get to see what this looks like in the dark. Depending on the bulbs you put in, this has an equivalency online. 60 watts is the average for this. And it does a nice job. Nothing's going to get hot with this LED light bulb. This is a great fixture for anywhere you need to have light. I hope it's something that you're looking for to decorate your area. Enjoy your fixture if this is right for you.